What are we learning about today?
Yo, welcome to the Yo Hadley Show. Today we're going to do some type of lotion or ointment or some type of natural cream today. So, Carl, what do you think?
I think we should do some type of natural cream.
Yeah, I think we should do some ointment. All right, let's see where the wheel of faith takes us. All right, Carl, would you like to spin?
Sure.
All right, let's go. Orange. Lotion.
Lotion.
Let's do it. Okay. Since we're doing lotion, I got all natural products.
Organic.
And
natural.
Well, if it ain't, you're gonna let me know. I got some oils, vitamin E, some tea tree, some peppermint, some oregano oil, frankincense, some lavender, some baby oil, geranium,
That's jojoba.
jojoba oil, almond oil, castor oil, comfrey oil. You gotta research this. This is some good stuff. This is like self-healing stuff. Got some menthol, but that was gonna be for the ointment.
That smells good. Opens up my nose.
It did open up menthol. Yeah, it did open up the nose. And then we have this castor oil. Yeah, this nice chunk of shea butter. And these are all natural products. If you can't eat your lotion, then why are you putting it on?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, let's get started. So what I've learned, this would be like my 6th batch. And what I've learned is less shea butter, more oils for lotion.
To get it.
Yeah. So go ahead and let's do castor oil. What is castor oil?
It comes from the plant called the castor bean, and it's actually people drink it to kind of help their digestion.
If you can't put it on your skin, you can't eat it.
You can't put it on your skin.
Yeah, you shouldn't put it on your skin. That's the whole goal of this. This is what made me start making lotion. And then all this falls in line in the same family, like soap. All skincare products kind of fall in the same line. So I got the main ingredients for soap, ointment, and lotion. So let's get started. We're gonna do castor oil, jojoba oil. Do you know what jojoba oil is?
From what I understand, it helps everything with your skin, like scalp, dry scalp, and like rashes and pain and acne.
That's what we're gonna put in. All right. I put comfrey in last time, and comfrey is like from a plant that it's called like a stitch plant, and it stitches your like muscles back together and your nerves back together. So we'll put that in here, and then this is an essential oil, so it's extracted. And then I put some tea tree in there.
This is the tea tree. That's tea tree.
Tea tree is like what is that good for?
Well, I heard it's for like fungus and bug bites.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, you need that on your skin, right? All right, spring's coming up, so those bugs are coming.
Those mosquitoes are coming.
Yeah. What else is there? Oregano. Oregano is like super strong. It kind of makes it smell bad, but I lessened my drops. It's a smaller.
The smallest one.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go. It says oil of oregano.
Oil of oregano. It's some powerful stuff. You should research all this stuff. Like, all this stuff is great stuff. And then my wife, she likes baby oil, so I bought baby oil, fragrance oil, and then I put some lavender. I put some of this one right here. Lavender in there.
Lavender?
Yeah.
Oh, it is lavender.
For a little good smell. Vitamin E. We need that vitamin E.
You always need vitamin E.
Vitamin E. Frankincense in there? Why not?
Why not?
What does frankincense do? Blemishes?
Scars, I think.
Scars? Something about toning your skin?
Oh, tightens your skin.
Tightens your skin.
Yeah.
Let's get some frankincense in there. All right. Shall we begin?
We shall.
We shall. Let's do it. A big old brick. You can heat it up, but to me it was like a mess and a waste of time. And then I just been researching and watching other people do it, and then I created my own. So I'm making like little thin slices so it's easier to blend. I should have got you another knife so you can like chop that up. Okay. Oh, you can put the oils in.
I don't know how much to put on. I'll let you do it.
All right. How much you put in? It's just love. You gotta put some love in there. So let's go ahead. Go right about there. You might have to use the whole thing.
Okay, here we go with the jojoba.
Jojoba.
Are we right there, or do you want some more?
Let's start there. We should go here because we should go a little bit more because we're trying to make it 2 jars. I love this because you just get lathered up. All right, let's do castor oil. Let's make this. We just put love, y'all. So you know.
How much castor oil?
I don't know. Let's see. I just been going for it because it's all beneficial, right?
It's all beneficial.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sure some of y'all have remedies and have your own little ingredients and how y'all do stuff, but this is just how we gonna do it. I got some vitamin E here. I'm just gonna, this like equals to 20 drops. We going 40.
I remember my grandma always used to put vitamin E on my bug bites, and it helped it.
That's what's up.
Yeah, it helps it go away.
Old grandma remedies.
Yep.
They never go away. Let's see. We did this, we did that. Let's do a little comfrey. This stuff is strong, so I'm not gonna put a lot. Yeah. Alright. And then frankincense. It's about 20 drops. Let's put 40. Now, I've learned oregano. That stuff. Maybe it was the frankincense.
I thought the oregano's good on pizza.
It is. It's so many benefits in oregano. I didn't know. I did the research on oregano. Yeah, oregano is good for a lot of stuff. It's like an antioxidant protection.
It's good for your immune system too, isn't it?
It's good for your immune system. Reduces inflammation.
Yeah.
Cancer protection. What else? Digestive aid and weight loss, and you can even take a couple of drops and digest it. Because if you can't eat it, why you?
Maybe I could put it on my pizza.
Or you could just put it on your pizza. But ain't nothing like the real thing. What's oregano? Yeah, oregano oil. Seasonal drops. Did I drop it in there? This stuff is strong. I didn't.
No, you didn't.
I did 4 drops last time. I'll do like 8 drops. Alright. Well, because we're making a bigger bunch here. Alright. Tea tree. Did we do tea tree?
No.
Okay.
Everything good movements.
Well, we already explained what tea tree does. It's just good for you. A guy, he deals with plants, and he says he mixes tea tree with peppermint and water, and that's how he
for bugs.
For bugs, yeah. So this, this stuff is all this stuff, man. You should just have this stuff because you can use it for multiple things. It's not just for. It doesn't just do one thing, All right, we done? Oh, I put the fragrances in there last. We did vitamin E?
Yes.
Okay. I put the fragrances in there last. So, ready to whip?
Whip it.
Would you like to do the honors?
I'll let you do
All right, here we go.
You should play Devo.
Huh? Copy that. I'll put a sample in there.
Right? You ready to whip it?
I'm ready to whip it. Whip it real good. Got excited there. Slow. Here we go. See, I can heat this up, but it takes time for it to cool down. And the first time I did it, you remember did I give you the one there?
Yeah.
It was bumpy and clumpy.
No, I didn't notice it.
To me, it was bumpy and clumpy, and I didn't like that. And I felt like it had something to do with the heat. My heat temperature wasn't right. I didn't want to deal with that the next few times. And then I saw other people doing it this way, and I was like, that's the way I'm doing it. No heat, no double double boil.
I think we need more shea butter.
Let's get it in there.
And yes, I did wash my hands.
Big, you went big.
Hey, go big or go home.
Hey. Here, bang this out so I can, oh, go ahead and rub that in. You want to clean your hands? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, because it starts, everything gets slippery. Yeah.
You want to angle it forward.
Keep it level.
Angle it forward. Like this. I just learned something today, Liz. Yeah, you want to angle it forward. And work from the front to the back, because it's pushing this way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Right? Like all those chunks, you can't go forward with it, you got to go backwards with it. It's like fluffing turf.
It's looking good.
So you're going to put the fragrance in now, right?
I'll put the fragrances in here. Now last time I put 40 drops of this and I still didn't smell it. This is the baby oil. I'm doing 60. This lavender was not easy to get out. We're going in. We're going to be calm. We can calm you down. That lavender going to keep you calm.
I need a little bit of calm right now.
Here you go. Woo, that's a lot of lavender.
I feel calm now. Estimated.
Yeah, everything's decimated. Let's see what we got here. All right. Oh, yeah.
That's a little oily, right?
A little oily.
So I think we need to thicken it up.
Let's thicken it up.
You know what we're going to use?
Cornstarch. Come on. How much?
I think let's just start with a couple of tablespoons.
I'm going to sprinkle it. Sprinkle it. Let's just go from there. Little by little. I feel like once I make my 20th batch, I'll have everything down.
Hey, what are the, by the way, what are the health benefits of cornstarch?
Oh, cornstarch is like an absorber. It like absorbs. It's like an absorber.
You mean you can use it for like deodorant?
You could do deodorant, baby powder. It's for like chafing. Chafing?
Yeah.
Chafing? Yeah, chafing. What else? It's a lot of benefits. I tell you what, the Asians like cornstarch.
Well, they use that in all their food.
It's in our food.
Like in Panda Express.
Like Panda Express. It looks thicker. Might have to climb up the bowl a little bit. Yeah. It looks like it's working.
So add some more. There we go.
Some oily. I'm moisturized.
Maybe to add some more.
Smell it? Oh,
There we go.
dang! Oops. It's like you can't even blow it away because it just absorbs the cutting board.
How's that looking?
Yeah, it's thicker. And it thickens more when you let it sit.
I still think you need to add some more.
I think, you want more?
Yeah.
You want more?
Let's get some more.
we do, like 4 teaspoons by now? Probably. We don't know. Well, we got some Silky Smooth though. Make sure you check out the Silky Smooth video. This is what inspired it. Good. I think we're good. You gotta give it time. Let it breathe. But all right.
I think we got the right consistency.
I think we got the right consistency, and I think it's time to
oh, that's
jar it up.
That's nice.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
Let's see. The smell gets stronger. It's already a decent smell. The hardest part is getting rid of the shea butter smell. Shea butter's strong.
Smells like lavender to me.
Hey, if you got any way to make this better for us, just throw it in the comments. And while you're there, like and subscribe to Yo Hadley Show. All right. I got you.
You did the honor.
All right, thank you. Leave room at the top so we can breathe and grow a little bit. I can't remember, but I think I just leave it out open for a couple of hours. What you think, Carl?
I think we just need to let it sit for a little bit and let it thicken up a little bit. Otherwise, it feels good.
Feels good. All right, y'all. You know what we got here? You can do it too. Now they say the real test is, would you eat it? I just did. It tastes like all this stuff. It just tastes like all this stuff. It typically tastes like shea butter. Don't eat it. All right. Well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. This was really fun.
Yes, it was.
Thanks, Carl, for coming over, brother.
Appreciate it.
We're gonna do ointment next.
Ointment.
Ointment. All right. All right. Yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe to Yo Hadley Show. And until next time. Peace.
Holla!
Nice. Yo, we don't all have time to make our own butters. So look, hit up Butterfly Jones. She has all the silky smooth, all you need, all the knowledge. She's a pro. That's where I get my stuff. So hit up Butterfly Jones, please. Make sure you like and subscribe to Butterfly Jones' YouTube page. Peace. Holla!